Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on? And thank you for tuning in to Rules for Rebels. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the newest, I don't know if we want to call it a policy change, but the newest change to Amazon merch, which is the introduction of Amazon merch to Amazon Germany or Amazon.de, as well as Amazon.co.uk, which is like the UK's version of merch. Now, this seems to be, at least as far as I can tell, like one of the most confusing changes. I'm hearing a lot of misinformation, or I'm hearing a lot of different information from different people about what this program looks like. So me currently, I'm tier 2000. I'm currently not yet in the program, haven't been invited, but I have a couple of viewers who are tier 4000 or above and a couple friends who are tier 4000 or above. And I do know 3, 4, 5 people who have been accepted, I guess, for lack of a better word, into the new rollout or the new beta test of Amazon.de and Amazon.co.uk. Now, I've been hearing a lot of different kind of conflicting messages in terms of what this is going to look like. A lot of people are saying you're going to be able to upload your own shirts to Amazon.de and Amazon.co.uk. I've heard a lot of people say that you're going to be in charge of writing your own titles, bullet points, and descriptions. And I hear people, you know, I'm going to hire a German translator. I'm going to hire a guy off Fiverr to translate my stuff. But I'm hearing a lot of people say a lot of different things. And the handful of people I've talked to who are already in the program, they have sent me screenshots. I've actually seen all of this stuff. What I'm seeing is actually nothing like what people are describing. So I'm not going to share with you guys who told me about this, because Amazon, the emails that they send out are saying like top secret, do not discuss this with anybody. So I'm not going to mention who kind of provided me with these, but I've seen some screenshots. One person I spoke to has gotten the introductory email, but doesn't actually have any shirts live on Amazon Germany or Amazon.uk yet. I think there's 3 people I know who are in the program. Now, here's what's kind of interesting about it. So, at least right now, you cannot make a listing to put up on the German Amazon or the UK Amazon. What's happening right now is Amazon is hand-selecting listings of yours, existing listings, that they think would be a good fit or that customers in the UK or Germany would like. And Amazon is basically proactively cherry-picking those designs and listing them right now. One person I talked to still has some stuff in processing going onto the new site. Another person I talked to already has some shirts live. Another thing that's kind of interesting, because Amazon is doing this automatically, you are not getting to rewrite your titles, bullet points, and descriptions. And the one guy I talked to, he said he actually visited the German Amazon page of his product, and I told him to go back and do it from like a VPN or something where he can make it look like he was logging on from Germany. Now, he said the entire page is in German, but the titles, bullet points, and description are in English. So at least at this point in time, it doesn't seem like Amazon is translating your descriptions. Here's another interesting thing that he showed me on one of his too is, for of the 3 people I talked to, everyone's listings are just being ported over and automatically uploaded. However, one of these people, one of their shirts, I'm not sure why, but they got a choice. It basically said, like, this shirt is eligible to be listed. Do you want it listed? And I think it said, like, approve or deny or something like that. And they showed me a screenshot. If you go over to your managed products page, you know how where you have, like, active or published, drafts, removed due to no sales, rejected. You know how you can kind of toggle that drop down and kind of change the shirts that you're looking at? He had a toggle for designs and approval or something like that, and he had to click that. It showed him his one design. So all the other designs Amazon automatically put up on those sites, there was one particular design that they basically gave him a choice. Do you want this shirt listed on Amazon Germany and Amazon.uk? And he had to click yes and approve, and then it went into processing. But this is kind of in stark contrast to a lot of what I'm hearing other people say. I'm hearing some people talk like, yeah, Amazon's letting me list my shirts on these sites. I'm picking them and listing them. Complete opposite from what I've been hearing, as well as from what I've seen screenshots of. I've been hearing a lot of people talk about we'll have to write our titles, bullet points, and descriptions in German. At least from what I've seen and what I'm hearing, that's not the case. So I don't know if different people are being treated differently or if there's different invitation programs going on right now. But as far as everything that I've seen, and again, I've seen screenshots and stuff to back this up, at least initially for the first couple months, you are not going to be able to put new designs on those sites, nor are you going to be able to select which designs of yours go on there. Amazon's just going to take designs that they think are relevant and move them over there. At least at this point in time, it doesn't seem like you're going to be able to edit titles, bullet points, and descriptions, and just whatever is there, is what it's going to be. So if any of you guys are in the program, from what I'm seeing, it seems like this is top secret. You're not supposed to discuss it. But if anyone wants to drop a comment below and let me know either what your experience is, if you have a friend who's gotten in, anything you want to mention about it, or if you have experienced something that kind of contradicts what I've seen, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. So it looks like this program is just finally starting to roll out. I'm expecting it to probably hit my tier and the lower tiers, maybe within the next couple weeks. It seems like Amazon is still kind of trying to work out the kinks and figure out how this exactly is going to run. But just wanted to make a video kind of keeping you guys updated. Anything that you guys have to add, drop it down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and I will catch you on the next video.